My name is Gwendolyn Gatling. I am in the Associate's Degree Program at Independence University, and I am majoring in graphic design. Today, I'd like to share with you my online Behance portfolio. There are 6 projects in my online portfolio. The first design in my online portfolio I like to show you is from Design Class 105, Page Layout Design. The picture you're looking at is a picture from Gino's Italian restaurant. This is a mock-up of the menu that was done in Adobe Photoshop. And this next picture is a mock-up of the menu that was done in Adobe Photoshop as well. This next image is the front cover for the menu for Gino's Italian restaurant that was done in Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator. This is the inside of the menu that was done in Adobe InDesign. And this is the inside of the menu as well that was done in Adobe InDesign. And this is the back of the menu that tells the history of Gino's Italian restaurant and when it was formed. The tools used to create the menu were Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator. The next project in my online portfolio is from Design Class 245. Actually, this is advertising and design course. The picture you're looking at is a postcard design for a Miami Beach campaign. This is the front of the postcard, and this is the back of the postcard. This is the mock-up version. This next image is the actual postcard design done in Adobe Photoshop. This is the front of the postcard, and this is the back of the postcard. The next image is an image for Miami Beach website. This is the mock-up version done in Adobe Photoshop, and this is the actual website design mock-up for the website. This was done in Adobe Photoshop as well. The tools I used to create both of these ad campaign designs were Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. The next project in my online portfolio is from Design Class 244, Package Design. The image below is a mock-up version for a wine box design I created. It was done in Adobe Photoshop. And this is the actual package design done in Illustrator. This next image is a package design done for Harmony Tea. This was done also in Adobe Illustrator. And this is my mock-up version for Harmony Tea done in Adobe Photoshop. Both package designs were done in Adobe Illustrator as well as Adobe Photoshop. The next project in my online portfolio is from Design Class 243, Magazine Page Layout Design. This is a 12-page magazine design for National Community Bankers magazine. This first image is a mock-up image. This is the back of the magazine. This mock-up image was done in Adobe Photoshop. This is a letter from the editor. This was also done in Adobe Photoshop. And this next image is the front cover of the magazine, also done in Adobe Photoshop. This next image is the front cover for the magazine that was done in Adobe Photoshop. This is the advertisement in the magazine. And this is the table of contents. This is the letter from the editor. This is a 2-page letter from the editor. And this is another advertisement. This is one of 2 editorials in the magazine, 10 Ways to Fight Identity Theft. This is a 3-page editorial. And this is our second editorial, Things You Must Know Before You Refinance. This is a 2-page editorial. And this is another 1-page advertisement. And this is the back cover for the magazine. The magazine was done in Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. The next project in my online portfolio is from Design Class 209, Graphic Design 2. This is a campaign for the cookie jar. The image you're looking at is a black and white newspaper advertisement done in Adobe InDesign. And this is the mock-up version for the cookie jar. This is another mock-up for the cookie jar. And this is the billboard design for the cookie jar. And this is the mock-up version for the billboard. Both of these designs were created in Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. The last project in my online portfolio is from Design Class 242, Logo and Identity Branding. The first image you're looking at is a mock-up version for Block Financial Corporation. This is the letterhead. This is the letterhead. This is the business card. This is the logo. This is the lettermark. And this is the Facebook banner. This is a mock-up version for Block Financial Corporation on the outside of the building. This is the actual business card design done in Adobe InDesign. This is the lettermark. This was done in Adobe Illustrator. And this is the actual branding for the logo, business card, letterhead. This is the Facebook banner, lettermark, and envelope. I hope you enjoyed my online portfolio. If you'd like to follow me, you can follow me on Behance, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And thanks again for watching.